If you're looking for toys and games by Minicraft, this video is for you. My name is Emma, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time you can click this circle in the corner, and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Ready? Let's start. Number 1, Most Popular, by Minicraft Models. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Minicraft Models. Number 3, by Minicraft. Get your favorite toys and games now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4. Number 5, also by Minicraft. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click this circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.